All right, so now we're going to go over stance and rhythm. So these are the first things you learn when you start boxing, and it is a little difficult if you haven't done it before, so we're just gonna explain the two differences. So if you're a right-handed fighter, your left foot is in front and your right foot is in back, my hands come up to my eyes. If you're a left-handed fighter, your right foot is in front and your left. So we're just the opposite of each other, but that is the difference between a right-handed person and a left-handed person. Next, we're going to do our rhythm, and rhythm looks the same no matter what stance you're in. It's a forward and back motion. So Coach Henry is going to face the opposite way so you can see what that looks like. Watch Coach Henry doing that forward back motion, and notice that he's not leaning forward and back with his upper body. He's not using that upper body to move. It's all coming from his hips and his legs. So we want to sit, sit, sit in the front, sit in the back, sit in the front, sit in the back. If you take one of our sessions, when we explain rhythm, you're going to hear me and Henry explain it the same way. Sit, sit, forward and back. Nice and easy rock. When you get more comfortable, it just looks a little faster. You just move a little quicker. We're light on our feet, right? So stance and rhythm. Again, if you're I'll face the camera, Henry. If you're a right-handed fighter, my left foot is in front, right foot is back, hands are up. If you're a left-handed fighter, it's the complete opposite. And then we're here, always in rhythm. Everything we do comes from here. So practice.